People, they don't like sardines because they said that this sardines is for only for dog or for an animals for cat. But those people who say that they are also poor, only pretending rich, but definitely they are poor. I know some people like that. They don't like sardines because they said that the sardines is only for the cat or for the dog, but definitely no. But the doctor said that sardines is very good for our bones, for our body, most especially on our heart and our mind. Ayan. So, to those who don't like sardines, which is pretending rich, but definitely I know their life before, this is also good for people, according to the doctor. The doctor prescribed